Canva is an amazing software that without design experience lets you design flyers, you can design newsletters to send out to your members and all type of things. And the good news is, as a nonprofit, you can apply to get a pro account for free. That lets you use all the really cool elements of the program. Anybody can get a Canva account for free, but there's a lot of the elements you can't use without a pro account. So let's look into how to get it for free. As you see here, put in Canva for nonprofits. You click on their website for nonprofits. We'll click on the eligibility guidelines so we can see what makes you eligible. Pretty simple. Basically, you're eligible if you're registered as a charitable nonprofit in your country or 501c3 in the U.S., where I am, independent from the government and not operating for commercial profit. This includes registered 501c3 organizations in the U.S., and a few other things. A couple things that would disqualify you if your organization is government or political, if it's education, because Canva has a separate program for education and for schools. And then there's a few other things that would disqualify you: fraternities, sororities, professional sports organizations, and a few other things. You fill out the application form, number 1. Your team will verify, as it says, number 2, and then you get an email confirmation. Hit apply for Canva nonprofits. And it says log in or sign up in seconds. So I've heard that it's best to sign up with your work email, or what would be your church email if you have a domain or have that handle. So we're going to hit sign up with your work email. And then we'll go ahead and hit enter that email address, your name. And then they're going to send a code to the email address that you use. So I'm going to check that email address and come back. So the next step is choosing your type of nonprofit. So I selected the registered nonprofit. You'll choose what applies to your organization, and then you'll choose the country that you're in, and you'll enter the organization name or ID. Now you can search for it to see if it pops up, and if it doesn't, there's another alternative you can use. So you'll want to search for the name of your organization or of your church. Now, if you have a name that is, there can be a lot of similar names, you want to click on it and make sure that the address matches and it's your correct entity. If you pull up the name of your organization or your church and you don't see it in the list, at the bottom, you'll find something that says, I can't find my nonprofit. You'll click on that. And because I am doing this for an actual church right now to show you the process, I'm going to click on I can't find my nonprofit. From here, you see you enter the information for the organization name, your website, and then the rest of the information. So I'll go ahead and put that in now. And then it'll have you confirm your full name and confirm your email. And I'll do that for the church I'm doing it for. So on the next screen, it asks you to provide a photo or copy of a document that proves you are a nonprofit organization. It has examples, income tax, exemption letter, financial documents, or governing documents. So you want to locate that document and then upload it here. And from there, it lets you know your application is being reviewed and that it's reviewed pretty much in partnership with GoodStack, who will review your application. And then it says, we'll let you know the outcome within 2 to 4 business days at the email address that you used. And then from there, it says it allows you to use Canva for free while you wait. And then you just hit done. And just so I can show you the process from there, once we get our notification or our email, I'll update you from there. So it's been 2 days since we submitted our documents and submitted our application for the Canva for Nonprofits premium account. This morning, we received an email from GoodStack that basically was an update telling us that our application was being reviewed. And then a couple hours after that, we actually received another email letting us know that our application had been approved. We can have up to 50 people from our organization that can use the Canva premium account. You just have to log out and log back in to activate. Upon logging out and logging back into Canva, it took us to this screen that basically says you can add people to your team either through an invite link or by adding their email address and assigning them a team role. It does say they get a free trial until your next bill, but I assume that'll change because the nonprofits, obviously, you won't have a bill because it's free. I am going to try it out with my own email address. I edit for this church, or I am one of the editors. So just so you can see the process, I'll add myself. And then it basically, once I followed the link, it had me sign in. If you don't have an account, which I didn't have an account for that particular email address, it had me create an account, but it will have you sign in or create an account if you don't have one yet. And then it brought us to this screen. It brings us to a page like this. I'll select nonprofit or charity. One thing that was strange that I noticed on the invited team member account was that it took us back to this receive Canva for free, sign up for nonprofits, which we had already done. And it said you get to add 50 team members for free. So I did a little research on the Canva YouTube page because I was wondering if it was because for the invite link account, it had a different domain than the church domain. But I noticed when they show you how to sign up team members, they use multiple domains. So I figured it's just a glitch. So I would just hit skip because once you go past this screen, it gives you the congratulations basically for your account. So as a secondary check, I went to the plans and pricing tab, and they did have the option to start a free trial, which means we were not on a free trial. So again, I just believe it was a glitch. And that pretty much wraps up how to obtain a free Canva for Nonprofits Pro account. If you like church workflows like these, I guess I'll see you on the next video.